report to the people. We are not here to say A should be suspended, like what I read in the social media, or B should be sacked. Nobody should be suspended, nobody should be sacked. But what we are saying is, let there be a vibrant leadership in PDP. Let there be a leader, somebody that we call the national chairman of our party. We are not saying that the person that is there is not a human being, but is not from the zone originally zoned the national chairman of the party. So we want that particular zone to take over the leadership, and we are calling on the NEC as they start their meeting on the 18th to look into that, so that there will be vibrancy back into our party, so that people will start building confidence back. That's why we are here. And I will stop here as a preamble. Maybe if I can call it again, I can now say or elaborate on most of the things I've said here today. Thank you, gentlemen of the press.
For the first question, you know, Ramadan is from my zone. Actually, I contested a bill for the position of the deputy national chairman. And according to the party PDP constitution, we have two deputies, deputy north and deputy south. And wherever the chairman of the party is from a particular zone, the first chairman comes from that zone. Which means, because the national chairman is from the northern zone, that's why the deputy national chairman, one, Damago, is from the north. Meaning, if there is a vacancy in the office of the national chairman, his second, that is the chairman number one, who comes from his zone, will act. And according to the PDP constitution, we have time that is stated in the constitution how a party can act. But unfortunately for us, the former chairman or the chairman, as I said, who vacated his seat because of court orders, is also in court and is holding the party ransom. As long as we have not revealed this case, as long as the case is still there, we must have an acting chairman. So removing the Ramadan will be difficult. It will be difficult because we don't have, because the issue of the IE is still there. And he can't come over and take his position. And as long as Ramadan is chairman number one, he has to be there. That is the position of the constitution of our party. So if we will have the next meeting, we will have our views, our ideas, but NEC is number two after the convention. Convention can take final decision, but NEC cannot take decision, but convention can overrule the decision. So the most important thing for us is to appeal to them. If the National Working Committee, as they are now, if everybody feels they are not doing what they should do, then somebody should help us. Somebody should help the party. So that we are now talking about how do we revive the party? How do we move forward? As long as we have issues in the center of the party, that's the National Working Committee, the party can move forward. So that's my point. On that issue we are talking about, we still have to do with the unity of our leaders in the party. As long as we are not together without of this in the states, we will find that these leaders have interest in this state. And while we have interest in this state, how can we get it right? So as leaders, as part of contact, as leaders, we are supposed to be neutral. We are supposed to lead and follow the majority. We are not going to go about majority. And if we cannot follow the wishes of the majority in the states, then we are all losing. That's why we go so many states. Because if the state they can say this is what we want to be our senator or to be our governor or to be member of our government. But if the leaders in that state say they don't like that person, they will do their own. Of course, some people can go and do anti-party because they think that they have been treated right. So we all have to look away with personal interest and look at futures of this country and futures of our country. To assist us to achieve should be something that will channel PDP into a branding, into repositioning, and into, being people friendly. And why can you be people friendly? Because of our slogan and power to the people. You need to be a very constructive opposition. Constructive in the sense that we need to say when things are bad. You can see some of the policies the APC government have made of recent. You didn't hear any question from any PDP National Working Committee member. The answer is no. Because we feel that, who blows the piper dictates the dancing step. So we are not here to criticize or mention anybody like I said before. But we pray that the next decision on the 18th should be a decision that will rebrand our party PDP, that will reposition our party PDP, that will refocus our party PDP. Let the constitution of PDP be adopted. Let the constitution of Nigeria be obeyed. We are members of PDP. What we want is a united front so that some of us can come to you and talk to you, preach to you, like what people call them, Jehovah's Witness people, the way they go around preaching gospel. Should be the way PDP members were supposed to go now to be talking to Nigerians to actually check, compare, and contrast the regime of PDP. All our creation from USEC to ICPC, from many boards that are functioning in Nigeria very well together was creation of PDP. We ask ourselves, which one has APC created since the takeover? What I've created is to give us hardship. Because I don't think as a party we would have kept quiet up to this level when we have not prepared the removal of subsidy. All of us kept quiet because we have no vibrant NWC. That's the meaning. Now that NEC has come to talk, you know that this NEC meeting, we are out of PDP program until one leader that left PDP so much and so we have to even go to court to compare the NWC to call for NEC meeting. I think we also have to intervene to bring this meeting to life. And we pray that the meeting should only bring that PDP to life. Not actually coming to another round table after talking, we walk away. Let the community be a community that most Nigerians are expecting, which is what I will rebrand and reposition PDP. What will build PDP and take that particular slogan power to the people, back to people, the decision of the people, let the ideas of people, if they are comfortable with our PDP national platform, you see why young people are discussing PDP. I pray that next we actually accept to judge of what those young people have been saying, which actually focus on rebuilding, rebranding, and repositioning of PDP. The place we should have. Sometimes when we go to position only, you people really serve Nigerians. You serve Nigerians. Nigerians are suffering. I was told that today, from people to town is 600 naira. When you ask them, they say, the government, they say, there's no place for them to buy. So this is where a very good position is supposed to come in to help the country. And when you talk, not like we pray that when we next election, we advise that PDP should form what we call a shadow government. Shadow government is allowed everywhere. United Kingdom have it. As Britain, they have shadow cabinet. America has shadow cabinet. They have somebody that will reply Minister for Justice. They will have somebody that will reply Minister for Communication. Every minister that talks, somebody else will be there from this position to reply them. But are you going to reply them when your own committee, which is the National Working Committee, are not doing their own work of actually creating the path for constructive opposition? Don't let us say from the beginning, we are not saying anybody should be sacked. We can't have somebody elected by his people or elected by the Congress of PDP, convention of PDP. But this person has his position. You can go back to your position, see guys where you have capacity to function, and allow us to have acting chairman that will be so independent to take PDP to the level we want.